Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off smart shadowing on your Duolingo app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Duolingo app. All you have to do is to just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, then it's going to take you here in this window. So just wait to open with you like this, and you go up, you click here on this sign settings here and up, then it's going to take you to next window here. So you just go down here, so and you come here to smart shadowing here, you will click here on this sign or this color here, and it's going to go. So color is gone, so that means smart shadowing is on off now. And here you can choose time to remainder time here. So here you just click and choose time you want to add. That's all here. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. So before I forget, you go up, you click here on save to save your settings. So thank you for your watching.